guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae Antoinette, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you know. Hey guys, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do videos on beauty and fashion, so if that's what you're into, you are at the right channel. If you are already subscribed to the channel, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, boo. Today I am going to be reviewing / doing a haul for Jluxlabel. They recently just dropped their essentials collection, and they had some bomb pieces, so I had to grab those. So that's what I'm mainly going to be reviewing in this haul. And then just because we don't have nothing to do, I'm just going to show you some other pieces that I picked up from them over the years. Probably about 5 or 6 other items that I have from them, and I'll include that in this video at the end. So if you want to stick around and see those, stay tuned. Okay, so I don't have no shoes on right now. Don't mind that. Don't mind these toes. I did get them done. Nail shops are starting to open in Dallas, Texas, so I had to hit them up. I don't get my nails done, but anyway, this is not about me. So the first thing that I picked up was this bodysuit right here. It's the bodysuit, and I'll put a picture right here of how it looked on the model. It has this gold zipper. I love the gold zipper detail because most of my jewelry is always gold. So I was like, yes, I love that. A lot of things usually have the silver zipper, so the fact that they had the gold, that was a win for me. Also, I paired it with these white pants. I did not get these from Jlux, but they do have white pants like these. These are from Express. I love these. This is how you will probably see Jlux style an outfit. It's like very minimum, very clean, grown, and sexy. I love them. I will probably pair this with a couple of accessories. Let me grab those. I will probably pair with this clear purse, and it has gold around it, and I have on my gold jewelry, and then I just put on like this cute little boater hat. I think this look is very cute. This is like a brunch look, if you ask me, and it just says grown and sexy. I love the way that the bodysuit fits. It's tight. It does this in the back. Sorry that you can see the tag, but it has like a scoop neck back, so that's very cute. And I also picked up the white one that I'll show you right here. I'm one of them people, if I like it in one color, I'm gonna get it in another. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was this snake print dress. This dress is really cute. I was kind of convinced about this dress because I don't know if y'all watch Aaliyah Face. I love her. She did a Jlux haul, and she had this dress, and she made this dress look so beautiful. I loved it on her. Maybe because her curves, like, it filled it out more than mine, so I loved it on her. But I don't love it so much on me. It is a pretty dress. This is the back. I love that. It is a really pretty dress. I just don't love it. I don't really love dresses that much. But I think this is really pretty to wear to dinner, wear with a black clutch. And I love this clutch. Look at this clutch. You can like put your hands in it and wear it this way. That is so cute. I picked this up from Target. I'll put the link to this bag in the description. Jlux has a bag just like this too, so I'll put their link as well. But yes, I think this dress fits really cute. I didn't have to wear a bra if I didn't want to, but I did put one on. It grabs everything. The material is really thick and stretchy, and I did get a size small in everything. But yeah, it has a lot of stretch in it. And also, what else can I say about this dress? Nothing much. The dress really speaks for itself. It's grown and sexy. I love how it goes over the neckline like this. It has a V-neck. Really, really cute. Yeah, if I was into dresses, I would definitely keep this, but I'm gonna just say no because I don't really go on dinner dates or anything. And this is not something I really wear to the club because of the length, which I love the length too. This is what makes it like just a dinner dress. Yeah, some sexy for your man. sexy family. So the next thing I picked up was this set, which I got this set in a couple of colors. I'm not gonna lie, because I knew I was gonna love it, especially during this time, during quarantine time. It's easy to throw on, it's easy to style. I love it, it's comfortable. So it's just some black rib leggings and a black ribbed crop top. This crop top is like kind of like a little v-neck. It has wires in here, so it fits really, really good. I wanted this in white as well, but I couldn't get my hands on the white one because it's sold out. But I did get the brown and the gray one that you will also see throughout this video. But yes, I love this. This is so cute. I love the fit of this. It has a really thick band right here, so it just creates shape, if you ask me. I like that a lot. They're long enough for me because you know I'm pretty tall. Well, I'm not really that tall, but I'm like 5'7", 5'8", and they do go to the bottom, so I like that as well. I like that you can pair this a lot of ways. I could put a denim jacket on with this, as you'll see right here, or I'll just put the denim jacket on. I can also wear this with a blazer. I can wear this with heels. I can wear this with flats. I can wear this with sneakers. I could dress this up and down. That's why I grabbed it in other colors, because I'm like, this definitely is the essential piece. These are definitely essential pieces because you can style them different ways, style them with different tops, style them with different bottoms. It's a must-have in your closet, if you ask me, especially the black set. The other colors I'm gonna show you, not so much. You don't have to have it, but the black one I think is definitely worth investing in. On the website you will also see them wearing it with different tops, like the long sleeve version or the bodysuit version. Is all up here. Just check it out. Okay, see, I told y'all the essential collection was like a mix and match collection, so I also got the rib skirt. I have this set from other places, but I never had a black one, so I had to pick up a black one. I love this skirt. I love the way it fits. I love the thick waistband on it. I love the material. Yeah, I just love it overall. This is so cute. So I threw my hat back on with this. This is super cute. And probably just throw on some shades. And then this is like a casual look. Like you look like you tried, but really you didn't. You really didn't try. Didn't try it out. This is really cute. And I also could dress this up if I wanted to. I could have wore heels with this. Could have threw a blazer on top of this. Could have threw a denim jacket on top of this like I did the last look. So many ways you can wear this collection. That's why I love it. This is probably one of my favorite collections. So yeah, super cute. Okay, y'all, so the next thing that I picked up, I'm kind of upset with myself, is I picked up the gray set just like the black set, but I forgot to get the shirt. So I got the leggings, I got the skirt, but I forgot the gray shirt. Whatever. But that's just my point exactly. The essential collection can be mixed and matched. So I just kept on that black top and I paired it with this gray skirt instead. I am in love with these skirts. Like, honey, this collection makes you look snatched because of the thick waistband. It's just like, I don't know, it's snatching, you know. But yeah, I could have wore something like this, very casual. Throw on that same bag. Y'all, this bag, it got a little wristlet thing too. So this if you want to carry a more casual like. And yes, like I said, you are serving and you didn't try too hard. Effortless. But they think you did a little work. They think you was trying. No, you wasn't, honey. Effortless. Yes. If you want to get a collection from them, this is the way to start. Okay, and if you want to build your capsule wardrobes, as I've been talking about lately, these are pieces that you can start with. They have a lot of cute bodysuits. They got a lot of cute like Mindy skirts and those little leggings, and there's so many different ways you can pair all of that up. Even if you look on the website, you can see how they're styling it a bunch of different ways to create a lot of different outfits, and I like that a lot. But yeah, over here on the side, I'll show you me with the leggings on, and I don't have the top to go with it. But yeah, I like this as well. I already told y'all that I had this tank top and another color. So I have the brown one and I also have the gray one right here. And I'm wearing them with different bottoms, just showing you can mix and match bottoms with these tops, and you can with the bottoms you can mix and match the tops. These jeans are not from Jlux, these are from Zara, and I paired it also with this cream bag that I got from ASOS, and my sandals, which are snake print, which is why I wore this bag. These are from American Eagle, and my hat is from Target. I'll have all the links below for everything. And what else? But yeah, I love this. I'm telling y'all, this is probably one of my favorite crop tops now. These kind, and I can't wait till the white one to come back in stock, because I gotta get that too. Yeah. Outside needs to open back up. Even though outside is open, it's not functioning like it used to be. So I need to show these looks, and not everybody is out there right now. I need everybody to come out so I can go on vacation and slay, okay? Okay, so the next thing I picked up was another set. This one is an orange one. I love this color. I am in love with this color on my skin tone, guys. Ah! This is so spring. This is so summer. If I was going on vacation, I would definitely wear this one because of the color. I kind of styled it right now how they had it styled on the website. You can see right there. And I also took pictures of this. Follow me on Instagram where you can see me slaying, honey, serving looks. It's a look. It's a look. That's kind of how they had it paired on the website, so I did it like that. But you can pair it lots of different ways. I could have wore a denim jacket. I could have just wore it by itself like this. But yeah, I love this. This color is so cute. And I think this color will look good on anyone's skin tone. Jlux is really good on picking their colors as well. I love it. I have one just like this from House of CB. Of course the House of CB quality is amazing as well, but if you want an alternative for affordable price, this one would be it. Yeah, this is cute. Let me know which set you like best. Was it the black one, the gray one, or this coral one? But yeah, it's really cute. I also have the leggings to go with this as well. So over here you can see me trying that on right there. I'm gonna pair how they had it on the website as well as pairing it by itself. I love the leggings set because I can just wear that around the house right now. I love that, and I can just go run my errands in that as well. It looks like a workout outfit, but it's not because it's kind of see-through. I will say that the lighter color is more see-through than like the black one and the gray one. It's a thinner material, because yeah, I can definitely see through this. But yeah, but the other ones I didn't have any problems with those. That was the last thing that I picked up out of the Essential collection. I'm going to continue to show you some pieces that I picked up from Jlux over the past few years. Just a couple of them. So you can stick around if you want to. But this is the end of the new collection. I'll put the link to all the pieces down below. Follow them on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I serve looks, honey. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We on the road to 10K still, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps my channel a whole lot. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.